Hey guys, welcome back to Javon Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out Crisis Core Final Fantasy VII Reunion for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing out the YUZU emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. They're running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM and dual channel memory, and boy oh boy does this one take me back. I showed you guys yesterday that it does run, and today I actually will be showing you gameplay from the games. It does run solid, but I would recommend using Ryujinx. Ryujinx runs better. I'll do a test on both, and then I'll do the integrated graphics ones as well. But yeah, Ryujinx does not stutter. YUZU stutters, and it has flickering in both of them. But I am using the latest build from YUZU, so it probably is a bit better here as well. Actually, to be honest with you, it's not the worst. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. If you guys like seeing the latest and greatest games posted on the channel with lower end hardware than normal, I'm the guy to go to. I do this crap all day long, man. It's crazy out here. Yeah, so there is flickering in the background. Obviously, we can't fix that yet. That probably will be updated as soon, but the game hasn't even come out yet, so you gotta keep that in mind. But like I said, it stutters more here than it does with Ryujinx. Ryujinx, it doesn't stutter. You can play the game. We do have these graphical issues, but they're not as bad.
So I can cut loose, right?
Within reason.
Anyway, it's running at 30 FPS, so I am using the latest early access build, 3207.
Activating combat mode.
Activating combat mode. And it runs. It runs decently. All things considered, it does run quite well. But Ryujinx runs, you'll see Ryujinx stays at like 30 FPS. Where YUZU struggles. AMD hardware, man. It's the AMD hardware. But anyway, once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. I'm just gonna mute myself now, so enjoy the rest of the gameplay, and I'll see you guys next time. We're gonna get into a boss fight here after we're done here, and we'll see what happens. Conflict resolved. Love that. Love this in the PSP, man. Good stuff. I'll see you. 8 gigs of RAM. Well, that's using a lot of RAM. I'll see you guys in a bit.
Not too bad.
Piece of cake. I'll make first in no time.
Go up the stairs at the end of the platform.
You got it.
Activating combat mode.
Warm-up's over. Here we go. Go, go, go!
Concentrate.
I'm feeling it.
Conflict
Oh
resolved.
yeah.
Showing your back to the enemy. Overconfidence will destroy you.
Hey, Zach. You seem a little on edge.
Can you blame me? All this training and no assignments. Like they're hanging me out to dry. You must be pretty busy with everyone off base.
Off base? Wait, haven't you heard? There's been a mass desertion at Soldier.
Huh?
One of the firsts has deserted. Took a bunch of seconds and thirds with him. All from Wutai. Motive, goal, all a mystery right now. This mass soldier desertion is why your training's on hold. Whoa, a first.
Zach, you're up.
Yeah, finally. Time for some real action.
Yes, it'll be your show.
Yes!
Report to Director Lazard. There'll be a briefing.